Next. What case are you here? What case are you here?
Misdemeanor Class A?
You have a ticket? Come on. Is this your thing? What's your last name? Gonzalez? John Gonzalez?
Yes. For the record, my name is John Gonzalez, the natural man, not the corporate fiction entity person. And I'm here by special appearance.
Yeah? Well, I'm here on special appearance too. I'm only special here because when I go home, I'm not special. I'm just do everything, like a maid, the chauffeur, the Uber driver. All right, this, let me see here. He was up on July 3rd. It went motion defendant for today's date, 1:30, for attorney. Where's your lawyer?
I'm pro se.
You're
Going pro se? Yes, sir.
Where'd you go to law school?
Not relevant?
Where'd you go to law school?
It's not relevant.
It is relevant. I'm asking
Objection.
you, in order to go pro se, I gotta make a determination whether or not you have the ability to represent yourself. I'm trying to protect your own interests. So I'm gonna ask you some questions. It's relevant. Where'd you go to law school?
I object.
You object, okay,
according-
that's a fancy word.
There's-
Maybe you did go to law school.
There is no such thing, no law on record.
There's no
that
law
I-
on record. All right, where'd you go to college?
Objection. It's not relevant to the case.
Well, see, you're not gonna make us be a lawyer for yourself because you don't know when to object and when not to. So, let me see what you're facing here. You got let me see here, criminal trespass to state-supported land, battery. These are all Class A misdemeanors. Class A misdemeanor could be punished up to 1 to 364 days in the Cook County Jail, probation, a fine up to $5,000. I'm trying to protect your rights. Because your liberty's at stake, you need a lawyer. And you don't have the ability, sir,
Yes,
who are you?
I'm his counsel.
He's counsel.
You're his lawyer?
I'm his counsel.
All right, counsel, have a seat.
Well,
Counsel, have a seat.
he has a right to the
You
counsel.
have no jurisdiction in my court, have a seat. Okay, now we'll get back to you.
Objection on that. According to Article 6 of the United States Constitution of America, I have a right to assistance of counsel.
You sure do, and that's why I asked who your lawyer is.
Don't need a lawyer. He's a counsel. There's a difference between a counsel and a lawyer and an attorney.
So
Your
you're
Honor.
facing a Class A misdemeanor, you want to go by yourself. State, what are you offering? 364 days in the Cook County Jail.
Yes.
When you want to go to trial?
I'm challenging jurisdiction in this matter. They still have not, there's a lack of sworn complaint against me.
There is a 1, 2,
Under perjury, there's no sworn
let me
defense.
see, 4 complaints sworn against you.
Under perjury?
Sir, it's fun that you're throwing out words that you have no idea what they mean. And you're using them in the wrong context.
Well, you can't.
So, like I said initially, it's your disadvantage that you don't have a lawyer. Now you're just playing games with this court, and I'm trying to be patient. You can use that I don't have jurisdiction, because you're pro se or pro per, whatever term you want to use next. But there's allegations that you have to face. They're Class A misdemeanors. You can go to jail up to 364 days, 1 day less than a year. So you can keep playing the game that you want, but eventually they're gonna bring in their witness, they're gonna go to trial, and if they prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt, you can go to jail for 364 days. So I can play this game all day long, but you're using terms that you have no idea what they mean. So once again, I'll ask you one question, then we'll move on. Do you want a continuance for a lawyer? Yes or no? It's a simple question, yes or no?
According to
No. Secondly-
case law, you
secondly-
can't. Is that a legal determination? Are you
secondly,
practicing law from the bench,
We're
sir?
gonna continue this
Your
case,
Honor.
state, bring in your witnesses, we go to trial on the next court date. We'll see
Let
you
the
on 9/10.
or according
9/10.
let the record reflect. Once
Nine.
jurisdiction is challenged, it must be proven. And this is
You're-
Higgins
you're-
versus Levine, 415 U.S. 533 No 3, 1974. It has to be proven, and the court and the state have not proven jurisdiction. Now, is a criminal case or civil? So what action is it? Is it civil? Is it civil or criminal?
You think your rhetoric,
I'm just asking questions. I don't understand what's going on.
You think I haven't heard this rhetoric before?
I don't understand.
The state carries jurisdiction. You
Okay.
drive a motor vehicle, you live in this country, you put yourself in the jurisdiction of the court. There's an allegation, it's a sworn allegation against you. I don't know if it's true or not. You have the opportunity to bring in a lawyer to defend the allegation, okay?
All right. Let the court reflect.
All right.
I cannot enter a plea to move forward. I don't understand. I don't understand the cost in the nation. Can the court?
Have a good day.
Can the
Pick 'em
court
up.
dismiss?
You're gone.
Let the court reflect that I am being unjustly, unconstitutionally moved from this court without my consent. I have not pleaded nothing.
You don't need your.
No, man, come on up.
Are you guys lawyers?
You're not, so don't worry about it.
Did you not swear no to the Constitution as well, sir?
Have a good day.
As what?